Okay, you might remember I was painting this skeleton lampshade, and to make it look kind of old and rusty and all. And now I've got it's a skirt off a little dress I got at a thrift store a while back. And there's the top of it. But it had a zipper, so I had to cut it. So I'm gonna either sew it here or use fabric glue. And then I'll connect this side. It's got the little seam thing. I'll connect it to this side that don't, where I had to cut the zipper out. And then I'm gonna try to cover it with it. Okay, I got the little skirt thing glued together. So I got a couple seams here with a different flower print than this side. And then there's that same different print. And the shade ends right there. So I was thinking about cutting it kind of ragged where that would show that curved metal, but I changed my mind. I'm thinking I'll gather it with some thread. Sit neater than this, and then let's have like the little fold showing. And I had also thought about running it behind that. That really makes the skeleton shade show. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet. I might do it like that, I don't know, but when I get finished, I'll show you. Okay, I finished my little lampshade. It turned out cute. Okay, they really need a dim bulb when when they have lace or when they have nothing on them. The skeleton shade. Because that one's a little bright. And I want to tell you, you know, it was hanging down, you know, to about there. And so I kind of folded it and gathered it with a needle. And then, you know, tied it off with a needle. I did that to each corner. And then I went back and done the middle. And then I made a video that I finished it. But then I went and changed something else. And then this is this side. It's got these stiff little seams, so it lays a little different. And there's this, because we have this pattern on this side and that side. And then a pattern with a stiff little seam on this side and this side. And there it is. And what I changed, I just had it, you know, it would stay up here by itself, but I went back and just hand stitched these some seams out of the little top to the dress and just tied them up there on that. I thought that looked cute. Anyway, let me know what you think. And I set it on that lamp where I had made that shade. I'll include a link if you hadn't seen that video. And because the other one was just too big. I was just using it because I don't have a lamp for it. So just tell me what you think and hit the like button if you like it. And I hope you'll subscribe. Bye, y'all.